Hi everyone. So in this session, we will see the interface of ADS layout window. Okay, so in the previous we have talked about the schematic window. So in this we'll go with the new layout window. So I'll just keep the default name itself, that is cell 1, and I'll press enter. So once your layout window will open, you will see numerous options, numerous operations as well, and a window, or you can say a menu, which showcases a shortcut key for some basic operations like just click and drag to select vertices. Okay, suppose I'm having patch and I have to select some two vertices. So what I can do, I'll left click on my mouse and I'll drag it. So that's why it is showcasing as click and drag. Similarly, for press V for combined vertex and all, means if you want to combine some vertex and all like that, you have to simply click on V. Okay, and similarly, these are the operations for in order to select a move, like this one, move option, move using a reference point. Then you can click on press M. Okay, similarly for C, obviously control press C, then you have to go for copy object, control press R, you have to rotate it, shift X means you have to mirror it along with X axis, and shift Y, similarly mirroring an object about the Y axis. Okay, like that you can use these options. Okay, another thing, like same menus or some options which are able to see in schematic also, that are available in layout window as well, because more or less the operations are same. Some new, if I'll talk about, like these snap mode, this is nothing but your snap mode. Now what is snap mode? Suppose I have to select some midpoint or some corner point or some center. Okay, just like in case of other CAD tools, designing tools. So what I can do, simply I'll click activate or some deactivate these points as well. So this is nothing but selecting a midpoint of any component. So you can go with the midpoint. Similarly with the center point, if you have to select the center of your component. Okay, similarly intersection mode, if any of your component is intersecting at that point, if you want to select, then you have to click activate this option, toggle intersection. Simply vertex, suppose a corner point you have to select, then you have to use this vertex snap mode, and make sure it is activated. Okay, another thing is that another options like designing, suppose it is polygon, it is available with us, and polyline it is available. Similarly rectangle it's available, circle. Okay, insert path, some having some significant width and length, then it is also available. And if you have to insert some text on your screen, then you can use this text option. Okay, another thing, in the EM setup, which is most important part, because once you are satisfied with your design, then you have to set up an EM setup view, and you have to set up this method, what is your substrate, ports, frequency plan, output plan. Okay, what type of simulation you want to run, either it is momentum microwave, either it is momentum RF, or it is an FEM, that is finite element method. Okay, like that you have to do. And once the emulation EM setup is finalized, then further you have to start the simulation, that is EM simulation. Okay, and this is nothing but your port editor, like some of the ports you have to define some what type of feed you are giving, input output, like that. And if you want to see the far field of your design of your antenna, basically this far field mainly we will talk about in the case of antennas, so that type you have to go with the far field option. Okay, this is how you will see, this is nothing but your command line. How you will activate it, just right click and just come down, and you will see this layout command line. You can enter this. Okay, so in this way you can activate this command line option in your window. And similarly, just like in case of a schematic window, we have seen on the left side that we are having one menu which is named as parts. What kind of part you want to use in your design, either it is resistor, capacitor, or so much. So for that, what you can do, just again right click and activate this parts, and you will able to see this menu. Okay, so other options are nothing but your same in just case of your schematic, so no need to discuss it, I hope so. Okay, in case if you are having any doubt, let us know. You can contact us anytime. Okay, thank you.